Hello, everybody. Stephen John Drew here from Better Podcasting and from Gonna Geek Gear, here with an unboxing. It's the Zoom Podtrak P4. So let's get into this here. If you want, you can see the box. I don't know. It's probably not that interesting to look at. I'm sure you can find all of this information on a thing called the website. But if you want to see it, now you've seen it. All right, so getting into this here, looks like it's not sealed. Ooh. All right, so right on the top, you've got information. As I flip it intentionally upside down, I just wanted you, of course, to think that your screen was upside down. Yeah, that's why I did that. So you got information about what's included. Then you have the book of the P4, followed by the other book of the P4. And if that's not enough, you have the other book of the P4. And lastly, you have more P4 papers. Anyways, let's just put those aside and get to it. You've got Maxell alkaline batteries. Put those back there. And then here, right here, we've got the actual unit. Let's open it up and see what we've got inside. So there it is. That's the Podtrak P4. I've got the Zoom L8 and the Zoom L12, and these buttons feel very similar to them. If anything, they might be a little bit more firm than like the P8 or the P8. I said L8. Anyways, it might be a little bit more firm than the L8. I have the L8 and the L12. The knobs, they feel pretty similar. I've got the H6, feels pretty similar. And then you've got here, that's where you go and you put the batteries in there. On the top, you've got the XLR jacks. And on the side, there we go, you've got the BTA2, that's the Bluetooth adapter, I believe, that you can get, and the power. Okay, that makes sense to me that it's recessed because you don't want to accidentally turn the power off. But if you're turning it off all the time, that's to me a weird spot to have it. I'm not sure that I'm sold on that. But on the front, the headphone jacks as well. So you are going to need the 3.5 millimeter jacks. They are not 1/4 inch jacks for the headphones. And then you have up here the buttons to flip on phantom power or not. But that's really all it is. It's a pretty simple unit. It's not too big. If we take a look here as I get out the trusty measuring tool that I cannot remember its name for right now. Caliper. There we go. You've got it at this point here. You've got it approximately that size. I'll be honest, I'm not touching it. You can see it moving back and forth. I don't want to scratch it, but that can give you an idea about how wide it is. I'm sure you can find all sorts of specs online if you want to check out more about that, but that's going to do it for the unboxing, unless there's anything else in here, which, going once, going twice, just to show you there's nothing else in there. Sold on the unboxing of the Zoom Podtrak P4.